Hey everybody, I hope that you had an awesome week and that your time away from whiteboard scoring really gave you a bigger picture on what is more important and what actually matters when it comes to the gym and your efforts in the gym. So with the whiteboard, it's going to return tomorrow, Monday, because we have a very important benchmark coming up. So what the whiteboard needs to represent for you is motivation, but a healthy dose of motivation. It needs to represent accountability, right? So that you are giving me your best effort and you're proud of that number on the board. If it's your best effort, you should 100% be proud of what goes next to your name, regardless of whether it's the best or the worst of the class, of the day, whatever. If it's your best effort, that is a huge, tremendous success. And then finally, it's there for you to reinforce goals, all right? And so with that, the whiteboard isn't the only way you should be recording your progress, and your results. So for some people, I hear, I'm not getting stronger. And my question to you is, how do you know? If you track your workouts, if you journal or use the app, be on the whiteboard, whatever it is that, how do you record your progress? We need actual data points. So if you really aren't getting stronger, we can sit down and reflect and talk about that. Like maybe you need to be more consistent, or maybe we need to focus on something, but just a blanket statement of saying I'm not seeing progress here or there, we need to know what that's looking like. Like you could only back squat this 2 years ago and you're still back squatting the same weight, and then we can kind of identify any areas where we can improve. But anyway, so my challenge to you is to start journaling or start recording your workouts so that you know exactly what you're doing, so that you know next time you do whatever it is, say Fran, that you know your time that you did on, Monday, August 12th, 2019. And so when we repeat Fran, hopefully very far down the road, you will improve. You'll maybe do RX weight, or maybe a little heavier thruster, or maybe a harder version of the pull-up. Anyway, you have to have your data down for us to really know. And that's the cool thing about CrossFit. It is empirically driven, or it can be if you track it. So on to the workouts. Monday, we've got Fran. That is the quintessential CrossFit workout. CrossFitters worldwide all know their Fran time, and so will you. So it's 21-15-9 thrusters and pull-ups. That workout is supposed to be fast. It's intense, so it's a squat and push move with the thruster followed by the pull of the pull-up, so the movements complement each other, and so it allows you to go fast. So make sure that you have a weight and a pull-up scale that allows you to go fast. We have a 10-minute cap on this. Realize that this workout is done in less than 3 minutes by people, less than 2 minutes sometimes, which is insane. But just so you know, it's fast, it's a sprint. It should not be a ton of rest and slow and go type thing. After that, we're going to just do some core work. So Fran's our focus on Monday. You're actually going to have a partner count your reps for you, so we'll have 2 heats go, just so that we have an accurate data point when it comes to your Fran time. Tuesday, we're going to work on cleans and a really fun burpee clean workout. So it's an EMOM where you have 7 burpees prescribed, and then you get to choose the weight on the barbell for your 2 squat cleans. So you've got 7 burpees, 2 cleans each minute for 10 minutes. So that's 9 reps each minute, 9 reps each minute for 10 minutes. So you get to choose your weight and your scores based on how many successful cleans you got times the weight you did. So we're total volume is our scoring there, and also total burpees. So if you end up dialing back on the burpees or stop doing burpees, your burpee number will obviously be less. Wednesday, we've got strict press, so just some shoulder work followed by some more running. We're not running quite as much this week. You're welcome. 3 rounds for time, 800-meter run, 15 strict handstand push-ups. I want to keep these strict on Wednesday, so no kipping whatsoever. If that makes it to where you cannot do handstand push-ups because you can only do them strict, then we're going to put you in a seated dumbbell press just to work on that absolute strength. Kettlebell swings at that as well. Pretty long one. That's a 25-minute cap on that. Thursday, we have a sprint little chipper with a 12-minute cap, and also some back squat strength work. Friday's monster mash. It's fun with dumbbells. looks fun. I've reduced the time cap to 40 minutes to allow for some more warm-up and some more movement prep. That's really just for safety and just making sure everybody's ready to rock and roll with that. So 40-minute cap on the Monster Mash, 5-minute rest in between sets. I made sure I included that this time. Saturday we're gonna practice deadlifts and then use deadlifts in the workout. So with a partner you're gonna have a running deadlift pull-up workout. And then Sunday we have some snatch practice, so if you want to work on that one of the more difficult moves with the barbell, Sunday's a really great day to come in. Alright, so Fran, Monday. Let's approach it with a lot of enthusiasm and give me your best efforts on Fran and record your Fran score, your Fran time, and that scoring includes what weight you had on the barbell and what you did for pull-ups. So if you used a band, if you did jumping pull-ups, if you did ring rows, you should write that because those are all very important things to keep track of. Alright, have a fun week.